Hello, my name's Shaquille and I've been put forward for the BAME Awards due to completing a Level 2 MVQ in property maintenance for Tesco. The reason I chose an apprenticeship was because I wanted a change of career from admin to a more hands-on role. So I wanted to learn and earn at the same time. Due to being 24 at the time, I had commitments as well as a young one. So it was really important for me that I could learn and still earn the money to keep up with my commitments outside of work. The apprenticeship gave me the opportunity to develop the skills that I already had, such as my communication skills and my soft skills. It also gave me the ability to work more hands-on. So I've got more knowledge of health and safety, tools, equipment, and things like that, which is entailed in my job description. During my time at Tesco, I've gone from being a in-store technician to working for Tesco head office in the property team. I am currently doing location planning, and the amazing thing about the apprenticeship is the fact that I've completed it and I got given a job within that job role. However, due to the progression, I've gone and moved on to working at head office. I'd encourage anyone of any age really to join an apprenticeship. You always feel included, you develop on skills that you currently have, and you gain new skills as well. I suppose the only challenge I came up against was the fact that I did feel a bit old for the apprenticeship at the time. However, it was clear to me that when I did start the apprenticeship and as I went through the apprenticeship, it really wasn't an issue at all. Thank you for listening and I appreciate your time.